kuti zambiri the majority more than majority distinction in fact zilama kamba president zona anthu akuzona bakira sada kambezo za mwamba zoti zili kumwamba kuozoni kapena zili kuwina kwake it's right here. Wherefore kuti imene ndi competence
chabwe
a president speech ya Sona imanena kuti tichite contribute the whole government system ineyo kunoko mtalanda ndalama za boma zakulisa kuti napanga chakuti ndipo chili pa level yakuti level ikayoona. What I see is that those people amene amapereka information ya status ya nyumba za security for example
yes
momoti anene kuti ndalama zinabwera contractor ali background ayamba bomba no manga iwa kuti zinamaliza manyumba 90 it means anangokhala mu office uzitengera chibwana zithu mu information about files manga verify wina ongolemba malemba analedzera kanchani zosadziwika kutumiza ku office kutumizira bwana kuti bwana anene kumtundu wa Malawi
head of state
kumene kuti kulakwa and kuira kulikose pachito pena pali boss munthu uonesa kuti iwe uli incompetent because this is called incompetence where you don't check things and report correctly it's incompetence it's against zimene umene uchita ngati weyo pachito yako you are supposed to report chito iliyonse anana kefe you report this is what I'm doing but you must be accurate because amabwana ako your superiors are going to take decisions based on what you are telling them. If you are telling them wrong information, they will make wrong decisions. If I'm telling my board wrong information, they will make wrong decisions.
MPC irindalama kuma iribe.
They will make wrong decisions. That is not going to help MPC. So, if those people gave information kwa bwana leading bwana kutaka nene kuti manyumba adata then there is no any other way. Disciplinary, there must be discipline.
A disciplinary process.
Kwina kulikose, it's not just in Malawi or in government. Pera pali bosi pachino mpunga liwa panya malamulo wapanga njulu wako wala kisaba nako umene nobita ku disciplinary hearing. So kanda SPC kana ndani kubomako chino dimene. People have misled the president. They have misled the president and look what is happening now. The opposition fura libe chokamba. Akuzo zona zili background zabili zona zili background they are misleading the whole country. But you know, surprised with the past 2 days everybody is showing lies then I will 3 lies versus 97 rights truth ndiye muzana kuti ndiye kind busy kuti we should crucify the president.
That's complete madness.
It won't happen.
Complete madness.
It won't happen. This president is trying his best. Mavudo ndambiri.
He's doing it.
Today, Njala came because last year kunali simple. But the president has not said, oh, poli kunali njala inengo pay. He has been sourcing chakudya chantu akugawa. Dzulo ameko usanali kundilande ugawa wena ufuna agenda. Munhu akagwa ufa kulandu adi ufuna agenda. Ndali. Amalawi is very. Let's not this president that we have, the president amena kugira chiro sana ndi usiku to take this country forward. Mulijala nziko muno tieni tipeze chimanga kunja. NFRA amatamanga ajoji macheka tika kule ku Tanzania chani Admark chocho plus private sector tiji anthu akale chimanga chukera ntengo is simple. It's because chimanga chinchochepa demand ndi yakulu. That's why chukera ntengo. But God amapanga miracles. Ndipo president uyu ali chisomo. Chifukwa murati mone zozuchika chaka chino magamba something sana bwera off camera timagamba za weather
tabelezani sobele pakuma
president uyu ali chisomo uyu president ndipo amene alimba na president uyu angodantha hayo pachabe ene fedaona kale kuti this is not the president to be arguing to fight against. They are wasting that time. Fongwa chisomo. Look at the Sona. Nobody knew kuti Sona angampase zero chauta kuti akulu momoni mwangu nena zamana chaka chiyonse chakuti kwa agriculture chakuti kwa education chakuti no this time speak direct to the people on the ground. And those things are there on the ground.
Ameenda kulemba ni shito.
They are seeing those things. They are seeing they are seeing they are seeing. They don't have to use it. No. Kanda Suleiman, Kanda Ndani, all those Facebook activists, also media teams, you are just wasting your time. And Zambiri, the majority, more than the majority, distinction in fact. Zimama president Zona. And Zona Bakiro. Sadaka Zambamba. So this is the Mwamba Wozoni, Kabinets winner work. It's right here. When he said Nabanga Manyumba out. Manyumba on Hawaii, I will call my police. Namanganseo, Pegasama, try M1, Nubanganseo, and Hawaii, so what's the point of fighting that? Thinking with it and Hagafa and with the words. They're wasting that time.
Kumigowi, Kupalombe, Kunsanje, Kud, George and Hollandila Federation from Bongole one.
Yes, Nisi has been all over the place. And Ugamaenda or Wenda, Bagadi Longe, Ni Blanta, Ona Mera Menolini, very good. Mbangamba Chisomo Chabuti, Kulira Wantu, Kumenari Ninjara, Chauda is a Chisomo Zipolino, Chagino Flo Berabin, Chimanga Chico. But as the figure April, May, the market will be flooded with maize. These things about it, Chakwera, Zita, because the one who's going to sell maize, Modula, Agabasana, Chikamfumbira Nyumba, because they'll be also being very shortly. That's the song that I was talking about. Chichauda of the Perato, now president, Tafrika Ninja, Chagachino, Vula, and everything you just grumble. All the things that people are complaining about, Udinjara, rightly so, because the supply no shape, Zita, because Chauda, what did I eat? Gentlemen, about money resistance.
Yes.
Somo, Cha President Jawa. I mean, I'm Jawa. I'm going to hire Bajabe. God gave him Somo, today, our brain, so notice Nayore was going. People are busy working overtime day and night trying to discredit it because of 3 incidences. Out of all the incidences. And they think they're going to, Malawians are going to accept that and so on. What was the police? You want to know what? If they want, if they're talking of lies, then him who is lying. Who can lie about it, where he is now, Parliament? He's not seeing himself. I mean, from the center, we figure on 1 minute. You cruise throughout. Meeting, you must also figure meeting. Because you try to navigate. Today we are driving properly because we don't get changed. Yes, even the planter has changed. So what is he talking about? He's just wasting his time. The point is, to answer your question, Uyu President Uyu Mbajisomo. Amena Malimbana and what and higher Bajabe. Uyu Mbajisomo. Zukushitiga Mtukomuno. That Sona has shown us what is Zukushitiga. He spoke to each district. I was interested when he spoke to Andrawunchew. Andrawunchew, you know, Zaufur and Jagachi. Mudalusa Bien, Mudadan. He was speaking directly to them. These people know that kind of speech will have an impact. That's why they want to make sure would impact you is Saunegi. Come they're wasting that we want to impact. Because he spoke to the people. He spoke to the people of Cholo, spoke to the people of Cheo, spoke to the people of Funzimba. Every district had its own message.
Nkunena sori kumula njeko kwa yawa ndapeleka
kumakuti
chimene chakuitsa chimene chiro
yes
Sona president ayamba sokulula sokuti ine ndatenga ndalama makuti
amagamba kuti sana gambe za economy mene wa maganisi. He talked about the economy.
Yes.
He talked about what is happening, how much is going in each of these districts, and what that means. He talked about it. If they want a detailed plan, then that's why the budget statement is going to be done on 28th. That's why they're going to talk about the Minister of Finance. Will now talk about the economy in detail, about the plans on how they want to make sure the economy. The president chose his own way, and he communicated. The president talked to every one of us. Each and everyone felt what the president is talking to me. Because he was talking about things that are on the ground. My district anymore, and I guess was your owner. Started choosing not to South owner. So then, but he mentioned only things that are background. If there were 2-3 misrepresentations, does that negate everything? It doesn't. We're not disable.
Tatukoza kwambiri.
Zigo.
Zigo.